Ever feel like you have big dreams, but zero energy to make them happen? You say, "I'll start tomorrow," but tomorrow never comes. You dream about writing a book, getting in shape, or learning something new, but instead you scroll, you binge shows, you put it off again. It's not because you're lazy. It's because the goal feels too big. And when something feels hard, your brain says, "Let's do something easier." But guess what? Laziness isn't your identity. It's just a habit. And habits can change. 3 simple ways to beat laziness and take action today. Step 1. Make it small. Big goals look scary, so shrink them. Don't think write a book. Think write 1 sentence. Don't think run every day. Think just put on your sneakers. Small steps are easy to start, and they build real momentum. Step 2. Create routines. Willpower runs out. Routines don't. Set your life up to make action automatic. Want to read more? Put your book on your pillow. Want to work out? Lay out your clothes the night before. Simple routines equal less decision fatigue equals more action. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself, "I'll just do this for 2 minutes." Just start the task, because once you start, it's so much easier to keep going. The hardest part is the first push. After that, it rolls on its own. Bonus tip: reward yourself. After you take action, even a small one, celebrate it. Play your favorite song. Smile. Treat yourself to a break. Small rewards rewire your brain to enjoy progress. Everyone starts small. The people you admire, they struggled too, but they kept going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Think of your dream like a fire. Right now it's a spark. Every tiny action adds fuel. Keep going, and you'll build a fire that lights up your life. You don't need to do everything. You just need to do something. Start now. Start small. Keep going.